Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be clay barring my car because I have overspray of paint over it. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button and follow the journey that I have on this channel. So this is the kit that I will be using. I bought the Meguiars clay bar kit. I think it was $35 at Autobarn, but I got a price match because Supercheap's selling it for $25. So it comes with two of these. Got one over here, but I started a little bit on the car just to see if it'd work. And it's got the quick detailer and the microfiber cloth. So I have done one door already. You can't really tell in the video, but it's come up like glass again, which is amazing because, like I say, you can't see in the video, but if you can hear it, sounds like sandpaper. And then you come back over here onto the door, up where I can get a piece, you can hear it there. The door still needs a little bit more done to it, but yeah, so I'll take you over to the time lapse now of doing it. So when you are doing this, you've got to spray the detailer first before you use this, otherwise the clay bar is going to get stuck. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride. Just in a circular motion. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took an L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't even see on there, all the contaminates come off. Do a wipe over quickly. Just me, myself, and I'm my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, it had to find me. Now I'm on B, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get the spin. That's it, easy as that. A lot cheaper than spending $600 for someone else to do it. Yeah, so you can't really see in the video, but you can hear it's smooth as now. But we'll move on to the rest of the car now, and then I will polish it and wax it after. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. So that is the bonnet and this side of the car done. And now I'm going to go get the polish out and give it a polish and put some sealant on it as well. I'll bring you right back in a second. So I use auto glym or auto glym, however you say it. We have super resin polish here. And then I've got an extra gloss protection as well that I'm going to put on after I polish it. So I'll go ahead and do that now.
So that's the side and the bonnet done with the polish. I've just got to do this side now, but I wish you could see the colour. Like, I'll try and get some in the sun. It actually bring it up really amazing. So that's the polish done now on both sides of the car. I will take a video of the car when it's outside just so you can see the colour and how much it actually brings out the red. But leave a comment. Who else cleans their car like this and either the next day or a week later you go forward driving or something and it's dirty again? Leave me a comment. Now that that part's done, the polish, we're going to go ahead and use the extra gloss protection now, just to give it a little bit extra. Why not? It's going to get dirty again soon anyway, isn't it? It'll probably rain tonight. Yeah, so I'll go ahead, time-lapse this as well for you. And then I'll also leave photos of the polish and stuff that I use and the prices. So I've done the bonnet and the other side of the car, as you've seen on the time lapse. I've done that in the high gloss protection one. I will do it on a normal video on the passenger side, just so you can see how I apply it and take it off. And I'll also leave a picture of this one as well with the price on it. Please like and subscribe to this channel. There'll be plenty more of this sort of stuff going on because I'm going to make some new rock sliders for my car soon. I've actually got to make some for my sister's husband as well, because next year we're on a trip to Northern Territory, to Lorella Springs. So yeah, just like, subscribe, comment, do your things. So just quickly put a little bit on the cloth and then I wipe it over the panel, back and forward. Not a circular motion with this. Put a little bit more on there. Get it like that. That's all I do. It's sort of like a, pretty much what a car yard does to your car when you buy it brand new. They just tell you they do it better, but it's the same sort of shit they use anyway. That's why they never last in your car. And I'm sure as hell wouldn't pay $1,500 for paint protection. And then just wipe it off. Someone egged my car there, so the paint's a bit buggered there. When I wipe it off, I do it in a circular motion like it's polishing it. Just make sure it's all off. That's that part done, and then I'll do the back door now. Scratches on this door, bloody razor on. Can't seem to get rid of those scratches though. And if anyone knows, leave a comment on how you can get rid of deep scratches without actually painting the panel. That's it. That's the clay bar done. And then we've polished it. And now we put the paint protection on. I'll take it outside in a minute. And we'll get some nice photos of it in the sun. Which I don't think the sun's out at the moment, but I'll try to get some nice photos anyway. So thank you for watching this video. And and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. So there's the colour in the sun after our polish. Amazing colour red. Definitely came out nice and shiny.